Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are Team 2 from the RPL 510, and today we'll be presenting our MSME business application that is Biz Analytics. Before we begin the presentation, let me and my team introduce ourselves. My name is Naswa Azarawani.
My name is Zurian Mirza Triarka.
My name is Aulia Putri.
My name is Salwa Alia Raharjo.
My name is Doni Jeffrian.
And my name is Trijanarita Sinaga.
Okay, the first material will be explained by me. Next. The first is visual identity draft. Biz Analytics is designed to be easy to use and helpful for MSME with a modern and friendly brand image. And our tagline is smart application for easier business. Our target market is MSME and grocery store in Batam. And for the USP is that it can be used offline with a real-time updates and a simple design that suits local business. Next. Next is our SWOT. From our SWOT analysis, our strengths are simplicity and MSME focus. The weakness include limited reach, and opportunities lie in local collaboration, and threats come from national competitor. Next. Next is our logo. Our logo is inspired by this mind map, and for the result for the logo is a graphic icon and letter B for representing Biz Analytics. Next. This is our mood board for the logo. Next. The next material will be explained by Doni Jeffrian.
Okay, there are 5 logos that we have designed, and we have tested each logo in terms of technical visual aspects and audience perception. So this is the first logo. This is the second logo. This is the third logo. This is the fourth logo, and this is the fifth logo. So the logo test result show that the fifth logo received the highest score compared to the other logos, both in terms of technical visual aspects and audience perception. So this logo is quite simple, featuring the letter B combined with graphics and an upward arrow along with a circular line forming a coin-like shape, in line with the keyword of the logo design. Okay, next material will be explained by Nasuha.
Okay, next is the draft copywriting formula and tagline. We apply the FAB formula to communicate clearly and persuasively about the app's value. Our tone is friendly and persuasive, encouraging MSME to use the apps as a business solution. And our CTA is manage your business smarter and register now. The next material will be explained by Aulia Putri.
For this interactive digital media concept draft, you can see from the image that displays various icons representing the main features in the Biz Analytics application. Each icon describes a specific function such as dashboard, stock, financial reports, history, and user profiles. The simple and consistent icon design demonstrates an interactive concept that is easy for users to understand through this visualization. Users can quickly recognize each feature and interact efficiently within the application. Next material will explain by Trijanarita.
Next, interface layout draft. Here, there's the dashboard page, which serves as the main interface where users can view and select product. The dashboard display is a list of available product, including product name, price, and at button. In the search and category selection, users can search by product name or filter by category, making navigation easier. For the layout and color scheme, we use purple, yellow, and gray to create a professional, warm, and modern feel. The Proceed to Payment page button is highlighted in yellow to attract user attention and encourage further action. Responsiveness, 3 layout version, wireframe, high-fidelity design, and mobile simulation. Next, the invoice page. This page displays transaction details before payment is made. The information displays includes the name, invoice number, transaction date, product list, subtotal, text, and total amount. The goal is to provide transparency and allow users to review their orders before making payment. There's a cancel button to end the transaction, pay to continue the payment process. The visual design features a clean white background that emphasizes clarity and legibility. The purple and yellow color palette is meant for brand consistency. Then there's the payment page. This is the final step of the transaction process. It displays a list of purchased items, subtotals, text, and the total due. For payment methods, there are 3 options: cash, credit or debit card, and QRIS. The yellow confirm payment button emphasizes the primary action and guides users to complete the transaction. Visual design feature a clean layout with good contrast between text and background. The visual element and colors are consistent with the previous page. Okay, next is Suryan.
Okay, I will explain about our wireframe implementation draft. The first is user persona. This is our fictional person to help us create the relevant design. He struggles with manual sales record and clear stock data and time-consuming bookkeeping. He wants an app that can automate sales tracking and help him manage stock and profit efficiently. Next, next is the empathy map. For example, the owner says, I want an app that can give me a notification when significant sell drop happens. Then he thinks if he knows the drop earlier, he can prevent the loss by create the discount or evaluate the product. And if he doesn't know when the drop happens, he can feel very worried all the time. Next. Next is the user stories. It's about an owner that wants to record sales even without internet, know which item sells the most and which are running low, view financial reports through a simple way, and to get a notification when the sales are dropped. Next. Next, this is our main structure of information architecture. There are dashboard item lists that can lead to invoice, then the payment page, and then they can complete the transaction. In financial report, they can view financial details and transaction report. And in stock management page, they can CRUD the item, which is create, read, update, and delete. Next. Next, now this is our main process of user flow. There are register or login. Then the user go to dashboard item list. When the items are chosen, they can go to invoice and then the payment page and complete the transaction. Then they can go back to the dashboard. And in dashboard, they can view the financial report and also manage the stock page. Next. This is our task flow. The first task flow is to register. It's to create an account. Next. Log in for access the account. The item list dashboard to choose the product to sell. Next. The invoice, it's displayed the purchase summary. The payment page to confirm and complete the transaction. Next. The stock page to CRUD the item. Financial report to show the income summary. Next, the financial details to show profit and cost breakdown, and transaction report to review the past transaction. Okay, the next material will be explained by Salwa.
Okay. This slide explains our class exhibition project called Beyond Reality. It's about digital innovation and imagination, showing how creativity and resilience. The goal is to present student digital works like UI UX design and motion graphic in a futuristic and creative setup. Each team has its own role from planning, design, to event management, so the whole class collaborate to make this exhibition success. Next will be explained by
Next is portfolio visualization draft. This is my portfolio layout. In my portfolio here, I show about myself, my skills, and other. And for my portfolio here, I use black and yellow colors. And here also saw some of the works that I have done previously.
Okay, this is my personal draft portfolio visualization. It highlights some of my projects, such as educational motion graphic and social awareness poster. It also shows the software that I can use. Also, in the next stage, this portfolio, I will improve the design to make it more professional and visually engaging. And my project section will also be updated with more work to show more wide range of my skills and my capability. Next.
This is my portal. It can be seen that I have a strong interest in videography, especially in movie. I really enjoy the process of creating storylines because I believe the storytelling is the most executive part of visual production. That's why in one of my projects, I wrote a short film script titled Esai, and also interest in graphic design. So in my portfolio include of my design works. Next, we'll explain by Salwa. Yeah.
Okay, this slide is my portfolio. I'm Salwa Lera Harjo, a multimedia engineering technology student at Poly Batam. I'm interested in design and digital media, especially using Adobe Illustrator. My main skills are Illustrator, Figma, CapCut, and Canva. Here are my best work, Black Widow poster and motion graphic Kreativitas Usaha. Next will be explained by Yoni Jeffria.
Okay, this is my draft portfolio. So one of my best projects was designing the logo for the 2025 company seminar. The logo depicts a globe or world map combined with upward pointing arrow and wave elements. The design also features 7 colors representing the study programs in the Department of Informatics Engineering. Okay, next material will be explained by Rita.
In this portfolio, I introduce my identity on core interests, which revolve around design and creativity. Here, I read that I have an interest in digital and visual design. Creativity is an important part of my daily life. I continually strive to develop and gain confidence in trying new things. This section reflects my open-mindedness towards learning and enthusiasm for growth. Next, so
This slide shows our mitigation plan for the indoor exhibition. We divide it into pre-production, production, and post-production. Each stage has different risks like electrical faults, falls, and fire hazard. To prevent them, we use safety gear, certified equipment, and emergency drills. Overall, it ensures the exhibition runs safe and smoothly from start to finish. Okay, that's all our presentation today. Thank you.